Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to emergency. Here you just click on it, you come to next step here, then you go down, just keep going down, click here on set up emergency contacts in here, click here on create medical ID and add name here if you want. Here if you want to add photo, and here add date of birthday and medical conditions, then medical notes, and allergies reactions or medications. Then here add blood type and add organ, here donor and add weight, and add here premier language. Then you click here on next, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.